Hey guys, what's up and welcome once again to my channel. It's Ali here with another video for you guys. If you're new to my channel, then please take a second to head on down and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you've been rocking with me since day one, welcome on back. So your girl got her bonnet on again, so you already know what that means. Today's gonna be another spontaneous hairstyle, even though I already have something in mind. So we're just gonna jump straight into it. We're gonna see how this turns out, and then I'll get back to you guys when I'm done. So I'm gonna be silent throughout this vid, so I'm gonna let the voiceover take over and probably a few inserts here and there of what I'm feeling at the moment. But yeah, let's get into it. Alright y'all, so I'm starting off by taking my satin bonnet off, of course, and this is the same wash and go that you guys saw in my last vid. So by this time it was about day 3 or 4 if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, so moving on, I'm going in with my rat tail comb to start dividing my hair into the sections that I need, and I'm just making sure to get a clean part. Also, don't mind the flakage. Your girl's scalp has been acting crazy, and you'll find out towards the end of the video what exactly is going on with my scalp that's causing this. But for now, it's pretty much product buildup, being that this is like 4-day-old hair. So now I have my section, and I'm grabbing my Nourish and Shine Restorative Butter. So this is what's going to help to pretty much conceal all of that flakage and really just add moisture back into my scalp. So I'm going to make sure to really get that in there and saturate my scalp with it, because this is really great at doing so. So once I've smoothed that on, I go in with my curl smoothie, and this is just to add a bit more moisture before I begin to style. And I'm not going to take it all the way down towards my ends, only because my ends were still pretty defined and I had some finger coils in there. So I wanted to keep that as a bit of the style, obviously. And then with my edge control by Design Essentials, I'm applying that to my edges, and I'm going to smooth that down with my fingers after brushing it in. And once I've gone ahead and done that thoroughly, I'm just gonna start twisting my hair. So I'm pretty much gonna flat twist straight to the back and leave the ends free, as you'll see me do here. So once I'm done twisting, I just grab a scrunchie and then I secure my hair with that scrunchie and I just leave it out. So as you can see, I have my first twist, and once I've gone ahead and done that, I'm now going to repeat the same steps until I'm completely done with my entire head. So I'm just creating my part and securing the other section that is free. And once I've gone ahead and done my part and I'm satisfied, I'm then going to apply that Nourish and Shine butter all throughout my scalp to help in assisting with hydrating my scalp and getting rid of some of these flakes. Now once I've finally finished doing all of that, I'm then going to go back in with my edge control. Wait, no, lies. This is my curl smoothie now that I'm just applying like to the halfway point of my hair shaft. Oh my gosh, I can't talk right now. And then here's the edge control. And then I begin my twist. And you guys already know how I feel about this edge control. It's really good and does a great job at slicking down my edges, so I really like it. And then as you can see here, I'm now going to start creating my twist. See how it goes, yeah. How will you ever know if you don't? So once I've finished doing that second twist, I'm now going to go ahead and grab both those sections, join them together, and loop them through the scrunchie a few times. And now I'm left with two twists that are conjoined, and as you can see, you can already tell where I'm going with this. So now I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the same exact steps to the other half of my hair. So once I'm done, I then go ahead and separate that other section, and now I'm just going to secure it by twisting it a bit and then applying my scrunchie and looping it through just a few times to make sure it's secure. Oh, that just popped. Oh boy. So after that little mix up there, I just went in with a brand new scrunchie, and I'm going to repeat the same exact thing. And this time I'm definitely going to make sure that it's super secure and nice and tight in place. So obviously the scrunchie is white, it's no longer black. So I'm just going to grab a small section of hair and just wrap it around that scrunchie in order to mask it and have it blend in. And I feel like this gives the style a really nice funky touch to it, where it's not expected and it just blends in perfectly. So that's what one side of my hair is looking like, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same on the other half. So removing that scrunchie and then just loosening it up a bit to make sure that it's ready to be secured pretty much, and then twisting it onto itself. I then go in with the scrunchie and secure it in place by looping it through a few times, tightening the section like so, and then just grabbing a small piece of hair in order to wrap around that section and cover up that scrunchie. And even if you have a black scrunchie, you could do this as well in case you just want your hair to blend in. And then here I'm just going with the curl smoothie and scrunching up that section to bring my hair back to life after a bit of manipulation. And this is what the style is looking like so far. Now once again, don't worry about the flakage, y'all. We gonna fix that up. And these twists don't have to be perfect. The idea is just to have it look as funky and as dope as possible. If you want to make them really neat, you can go right ahead. Here I'm just applying that nourishing shine butter all throughout my scalp in order to help mask that flakage and just add extreme moisture. And I'm also applying it to the shaft of my hair, and then with a bit of Eco Styler gel, I'm gonna apply that right on top of that, because my Nourish and Shine butter acts as a barrier for me, and this is just to help slick those hairs down. So please don't have a heart attack. Your girl does not use it too often. And now of course I'm going to lay those hairs down with my satin scarf, because no style is complete without my satin scarf laying the hairs down. So once that's done, we're gonna let it sit. So now I'm back and I've added the hoops for a nice added touch. And once I take my scarf off, this is what the style looks like complete. But of course your girl has to pull out her baby hairs, so that's what I'm doing here, just to help frame my face. And once I'm all the way done, this is what the style looks like. So I hope you guys will definitely be trying it out, minus the flakes of course. But yeah, hope you like it. Alright y'all, so that pretty much wraps up this tutorial. As always, I'm off, I'm running, a girl gotta head to work. But I hope you guys all enjoyed this spontaneous style. I'm really digging it. I'm feeling very Alicia Keys vibe, you know, but with the twist. I didn't add any hair jewelry simply because I wanted it to just, you know, look all black and the twists speak for themselves. As far as the flakage, honey, we are all human, so y'all gonna get this real rap raw, you know, authentic Allie. So that's what my scalp is usually looking like, because this is about 4th to 5th day hair now. So after this style, I will more than likely be washing it tonight. So I hope you guys, you know, all enjoyed this tutorial, are all digging the new looks that I'm bringing you guys, and we'll definitely be sharing it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if this is definitely a style you would go for this summer. I'm loving it. I think the hoops definitely add a nice little early 2000s vibe, so your girl bringing it back. But yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.